admin CDR. So as there is no data at present, let me select the past data. So this is about the CDR with respect to the admin. The call details which are present with respect to the resellers or with respect to the subscribers under this particular admin. So the same call details will be displayed in this admin CDR page. So as you can see, destination name is differentiated with SIP to SIP call and India. So this is nothing but the calls with respect to the pin-to-pin calls and the termination gateway reached calls, like the PSTN calls. So if I select PSTN calls only and search it, so calls with respect to the PSTN, so those things will be filtered out and will be displayed in here. And if I wanted it to be with respect to the destination number, so I can enter it in here and I can search it. So if I search it with a particular PSTN number, so with respect to the PSTN number, the number of calls which I have initiated, those things will be displayed in here. And if I select the reset, so page will be resetted, and same number again. I came back, and as you can see on selecting the PSTN calls, there is a difference between reseller and distributor. There is an empty space for a reseller. The calls with empty reseller or distributor are nothing but the direct subscribers and the subscribers which are created under admin directly, and the subscriber calls which are initiated from the reseller, the reseller which has been created under the admin. So the reseller name will be displayed, and the username which the user which has been initiated the call will be displayed here, and the time of call and end time will be displayed, and the sale cost, duration, buy cost will be displayed, and the detail. These are the calls which are disconnected at the 0th second only. So I'll select answered calls. So these are the calls with respect to the answered calls. So this is the call with the 20-second duration, and sale cost, buy cost, and profit. Profit is nothing but taking out the buy cost from the sale cost. And this is about the admin CDR. And on selecting the detail, so as you can see, the same details like start time and through which termination gateway it's been routed, and the hang up cost, hang up position, and all the details will be displayed in this call details page.